Isn't your what?
Jalapenos. Jalapenos.
We haven't made a video in like 3 days.
This
So
slushy
okay.
feels cool. I just like.
Because today we're going to be outside a lot. Oh, doing stuff. Okay, let's go this way.
We should just like, yeah, walk down that road instead of walking down that crap road.
This one or this one?
This one. This
Okay.
is easy. Well, so are we going to Scotty's then?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Ew.
You caught me on my last bite.
Aw, look at you. You're so cute. Yum, yum, yum.
I'm always eating.
Me too.
It's a
I got
hobby.
raspberry tea. David got root beer.
It's
root
a
beer. It's a you.
Look at the lens. Watch out, Mommy's butt is gonna get ketchup.
Ketchup.
Be like butt cheek marks.
David.
Oh, her sister's taking
Oh,
her.
David.
Okay, well, her sister's picking her up. I'll be there.
Oh my gosh, she's right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna be late. Look at the time.
That's her, eh?
Oh. This is some rental car. Something. Yeah. Looking at some nice cars, I guess. I like this car, kind of. Yeah.
More room, huh? I think it smells bad.
Well, not for my knees, it's not.
Oh, sorry. I have a lot of room. Maybe if you move up, you're clear in the back